fossils record. And for example, how do they do that? In the magazines, in the television channels and different channels, Discovery channels and different video programs, we see the construction of the ape man, as if we are given to understand that these were the creatures which existed. But what is the fact? These creatures did not exist. It is reconstruction of these creatures, ape man. It is reconstruction. What is reconstruction? That if they find one piece of bone, for example, if they find one arm bone in the fossil, based on one arm bone, one hand, they construct the whole human being, the whole ape man. This is construction. If they find one skull, based on one skull, they make the whole body of ape man, signifying that this is the ape man, which is the intermediary between the ape and human being. So they fabricate drawings and construction by just picking up one piece or two pieces of skeleton, and they make the whole structure. Not making just whole structure, they make the wife and children and the whole family, signifying that these are the ape man, half ape and half man. This is forgery. An example of such forgery is that one such thing took place in Piltdown, a certain place known as Piltdown. In 1912, Dr. Charles Dawson, he presented a skull with a jawbone and the skull. And he said, this is the ape man, half ape and half man. And he tried to prove that this will prove Darwin's theory. Later on, Kenneth Oakley in 1949, he made a fluorine testing on this skull bone. With this fluorine testing, he came to know that the jawbone had few or very little or negligible fluorine content. The skull had little more fluorine content. Doing the fluorine testing of the jawbone and the skull separately, it was proved that it did not belong to the same species. But again, Wiener in 1953, through again a further study, proved to the world that the jawbone actually belonged to an ape which has died recently, just few years back, and the skull belonged to a 500 years back a man. So it was the half skull taken of a man and jawbone taken of an ape, joined together and manipulated and trying to prove that this is an ape man. And they had stained it with potassium dichromate to give an understanding that it is backdated of long years back. But once they put in acid, the potassium dichromate finished off. This is one example of Piltdown forgery.